I can't believe I spent so many years worrying about my thinning hair when the answer was so simple. I started losing and noticing my receding hairline when I was in my mid-20s, and let me say, it just takes a shot of confidence to you. You start feeling insecure. I was looking in the mirror, obsessively stressing about the receding hairline and wondering if I'm gonna go bald other places. But then my current hairdresser recommended Boldify, this hairline powder. I was amazed. Just a little bit of Boldify and it felt amazing. I instantly felt like myself again. So if your hair isn't living up to the thickness or fullness that you're used to, you gotta try Boldify. The confidence shot alone is worth it.
After years of hiding my bald spots in my thinning hair, I finally found a trick that makes me feel great. I lost pretty much all my confidence when my hair started to get thinner. I didn't feel like myself anymore. I got more shy at work and avoided going out on dates because I was sure it was all anyone would focus on. And even if they weren't, I was focusing on it, which made life miserable anyway. But recently, my hairdresser recommended this hairline powder from Boldify. I feel amazing after applying a bit of Boldify. It really makes me feel like myself again. If your hair isn't quite as thick and full as it used to be, please don't be like me and struggle for so many years. The confidence hit isn't worth it. Just get Boldify and keep looking your best.
After years of hiding my bald spots and thinning hair, get Boldify and keep looking your best.
How to use new Boldify's hairline powder to fill in the thin parts of your hair. This hair powder compact is so cute. You just apply it to your roots to cover the thin areas and any gray hairs. It's really easy to fill in your hairline so it looks natural. What a difference. It looks so much fuller now.